Some of the science in defending a DUI case involves the standardized field sobriety testing. These are tests that were developed back in the 70s, late 70s and early 80s, and really have not changed much through today. I am able to attack the way that those tests are administered as effectively as anyone. I've reviewed thousands of recordings of the administration of standardized field sobriety tests to individuals. And people are shocked when I say this, but I've never seen an officer administer those tests correctly one single solitary time. And every time that I'm able to review a tape, I can point out something that the officer did wrong in the administration of those tests. The officers are just not trained properly, they do not administer the test properly, and they're flawed. Secondly, with regard to the standardized field sobriety tests that are used to prosecute OVI cases, is most people, including judges and prosecutors, have the false belief that those tests are designed to determine whether or not someone is too impaired to drive a vehicle, when in fact they're not. The sole purpose of those standardized field sobriety tests is to determine the probability of someone testing over the legal limit if they were given a breath, blood, or urine test. And it's that misunderstanding which creates the most problems for a client charged with an OVI. Once that it's explained that standardized field sobriety testing is not to determine impairment, that makes the case a lot easier to defend.